You have got to be kidding me. You have really got to be kidding me. So last week, we had a dealership that had signed up for two of our training promotions, two of our two-day events. Monday, Tuesday, they had a sales trainer in there for sales training. And then on Wednesday, Thursday, they had a fixed ops trainer in there for fixed ops training. Now, we trained for all 4 days, and as part of our training, we do a recap and we show them areas of lost opportunity. Between sales and fixed ops, their lost opportunity was a little over $3 million. Now, as part of our training, we do leadership training in the morning. We always like to get the managers from all the departments together for about 45 minutes to do leadership, coaching, motivational sessions. On Wednesday night, the dealer invited the trainers, both of them, and some of their leadership staff out for dinner. He wanted to discuss further all the training that was going on. And at this time, we presented the option of continuing, that we shared with him the $3 million. Now, keep in mind, he had a good amount of his leadership team there. And at dinner, they spent around $1,200 with a tip. They ordered 3 bottles of expensive wines, plus cocktails, plus appetizers. I mean, the dealer did a great job entertaining his team. And when we asked if he wanted to move forward with the training, this is the answer we got. No, at this time, we're trying to cut expenses. We're trying to cut expenses. They just spent $1,200 on dinner in front of his leadership team, who wants to get better. He's going to pass because he wants to cut expenses. The next day, some of the leadership team told my trainer, this is the way we operate. We spend money in the most ridiculous areas and we do nothing to make ourselves better. And we wonder why we're not making more money in our dealerships. Good luck, everyone.